If you can go back in time and give one piece of advice to your younger self about social media marketing, what would it be? That social media marketing isn't just about posting pictures or videos or captions or whatnot. It's definitely more than that. Social media marketing is listening to what the consumer is responding to in terms of the creative. It's listening to what the client wants to make sure it's aligned with that. There's so many moving pieces in regards to that. But yeah, it's listening, and that looks like a million different ways. Listening to the end consumer, listening to the clients, listening to the data, listening to the comments, just like everything, kind of taking a lot of this to optimize the next thing, whether it's for a better post, a better video, a better campaign. It's a lot of listening. It's not just, being married to your idea. It's being able to take the feedback and adjust it accordingly.
Okay, so technically younger self would have been just like 20 plus year old me. If I really want to succeed in it, that I need to be more open to newer features, newer platforms, like earlier, and adapt earlier. One of the biggest lessons I learned was to adapt to TikTok earlier. Because, when TikTok was bubbling up in the States, it was blowing up kind of basically like in China, where, like after Musical.ly, obviously. I kind of was one of those, I'm like, I'm never going to use it. And any other like newer feature on like most platforms, like Instagram stories, I was like, no, I have Snapchat. I don't need that. Basically, the lesson I would give to younger me was to adapt to new things a lot sooner and fast, because you never know. Because if it flops, it flops and you stop using it. But if it doesn't flop, who knows? Yeah, so definitely just adapt way earlier, sooner, immediately. Like as soon as you hear little rumblings about it, as soon as you hear, even like like any one of my favorite like digital marketing people, as soon as they say, yeah, no, this is going to be it, I should, not blindly believe that, but I should actually consider that, probably do that, because yeah, it's bitten me in the butt before. Did not like that. So yeah, adapt earlier. That's a lesson.